All right, this is it for my final morning. Gone back to Ho'okipa. This is on the North Shore near Paia in Maui, and pretty much just came out here for one reason alone, which was to try to get some drone shots of surfers. I'll admit, this is pretty much basically my first time doing this. I did a little bit earlier on my trip, but not really focusing on specifically trying to get surfers, and really just trying to wait out and see them ride a wave, see them get in a pipe, see them do any of that really cool stuff that they like to do. So the conditions were pretty good this morning for doing that, but wow, it takes them maybe 10 or 15 minutes to take even a single wave. So a good part of the drone battery just kind of goes with hovering and waiting for the perfect wave to show up so the surfer wants to ride it. So I really only got one super clean, super cool shot, but as a result of getting that one super clean, super cool shot, I got to meet two really awesome people. One of them is a lifeguard here. His name is Jake Darr. I'm gonna show some clips of him and show a super cool interview that I just got to do hanging out with these two guys that were totally cool with me, just flying the drone out here and collecting shots of people. So I'm about to leave right now. I'm about to get onto my flight back home, but it was a really cool sort of end cap experience to my time here at Maui, enjoying watching surfers do what they do and just be super duper cool and chill to talk to, and obviously really good at surfing.
The tail of the board, see how it comes down? It's like a point. It's almost like the nose. Super pointy. That's the telltale sign of a board that's made for surfing a bigger wave. You know?
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
So not just necessarily surfing, but specifically for big waves.
Yeah, specifically for big waves. And then 7.6. 7.6 is about the bottom of what you would consider a gun. And all the way up to, yep, they surf like 10.6s now at Piahi, you know, 11-foot boards shaped just the same, like an arrow, like a super aerodynamic.
That's, wow.
Shape.
Is it more difficult to ride a bigger board?
So it is. It's a little bit more difficult to, you know, duck dive the board because it's more foam, so it's harder to get under the water. So the approach to surfing oftentimes needs to change a little bit because you can't just be on the inside right in the impact zone and negotiate, you know, all those white waters as well. So on a bigger board you need to kind of stick to the outside, find the channel, sit on the outside and pick off the bigger waves normally.
Wow. You're getting super technical. Yeah, you surf just a little bit, right? Just a little bit now.
All the time.
Is this like a ideal day? Is this like ideal conditions, or is this like?
It was pretty ideal this morning, like with the lighter winds and stuff like that. You know, it was. But right now, while you guys were here, since you guys brought the drone in on the beach, as a matter of fact, the winds have kind of picked up.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, okay.
They picked up and then slow and then pick up again.
Yeah.
This Monday, no, last Monday before, I think was better. Huh?
Better, yeah.
It's more glass,
Yep.
some
Nice
bigger
and glassy,
sets,
yep.
some big bombs out there. Like you were way out and the sets were coming still, you know.
Nice
A
big
lot of
glassy
paddling.
wall.
Those guys go on those days.
Yeah.
Now 2 weeks, I'm getting a little bit, you know, more comfortable, but I just drop and ride the waves, enjoy.
Okay,
And
cool.
In another life, I'll be like these guys.
Well, you
My
said
next life.
you said you lived out here though, right? You lived out here for 10 years or something like that?
No.
5 years.
Don't tell Donald Trump that. I studied here in 2001 till 2006.
Nice.
And then I left, and now I'm back 15 years ago. It's been almost 15 years.
Sometimes that's what it takes. You got to paddle out and just sit out there. You know, oftentimes that's where the growth happens.
Yeah.
You know, you sit out there and just manifest like what it would be for you, and then I've done it plenty of times. Paddled out, paddled back in.
Really?
Yeah.
Just did nothing? Oh, not did nothing, but rather just didn't catch anything?
Didn't catch anything.
Yeah.
White water on the way in, and then kissed the ground when I reached the beach. You know, like for sure.
Oh,
Right
geez.
here when I was a kid, plenty of times when I was just a kid.
Wow.
Definitely.
So you've been out here your whole life then? Yeah, you've
Yep.
been doing this whole thing? Okay, cool. Sweet.
Born and raised. My father raised me up right over here in this tide pool, just like how generations right here in this tide pool.
That's funny. Yeah, we have different expressions, but I like that. I like that expression. That's a very like Maui way of putting it. It's like Yeah, you're a baby. You hang out in this tide pool. That's what happens. You're like barely like 3 months old and we just stick you in the water.
Tide pool, yeah, exactly. You're raised up in the tide pool.
You know.
Generations have come out of this tide pool.
You got to get used to the sea anemones.
Yes.
Hang out over here.
Yes. Definitely.
That's so awesome.
Definitely.
It's not waves like this in Barcelona.
They get pretty big over there or what? Hossegor gets big,
Hossegor, the north of Spain gets very good. Yeah, Cestaños and all that, La Penon, La North, all that gets very big. Yeah.
Cold water.
Past Biarritz in Hossegor, France. But the wind is just like, yeah, not good.
You gotta wear wetsuits up there right now or what?
Yeah.
Wetsuits, yeah.
Big wetsuits. Yeah. It's nothing like Hawaii, man. Like you come here, it's just like, the power of this wave is just amazing. Yeah, it's so much water. They're mountains. They're no waves. They're mountains.
So sick.
You know?
Ivor, if you break this board, I got one for you to borrow, bro.
Okay, man.
Just come down here.
All right.
It's a pleasure meeting you
guys.
Yeah.
What was your name, bro?
I'm Jeremiah. Yeah.
Jeremiah? Jake.
Nice
Yep.
to meet you, Jake.
Yeah. Pleasure. Smarley.
Hey.
So cool.
Are you tired already?
Not really. I'm just like, I don't want to break my board. I was there for an hour and I call it a day. That's,
Okay.
yeah. Sometimes you have the feeling, you know, like, yeah, that's the day. That's it.
Okay.
That guy just to the left, he's an awesome surfer, you know. He will stop with that shot.
Yeah.
Me, I just drop the bombs. I ride him, I kick out, and you know, I have a lot of fun. But those guys, they turn, they do like crazy maneuvers.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
look at lanes now, man. That's a nice set in lanes. So yeah, it's just like two different ways to ride the waves. You know, you just go like trying to survive, or you just like do turns and sharp turns, hit the white water again, and you know, like. Yeah, I mean, those guys are pros. I mean, just like I'm a guy who has fun.
Yeah.
Big day. So stoked.
All right, cool deal, man.
Yeah.
Well, God bless you, sir.
Yeah,
Have a good day.
definitely. I want to take a look of these shots.
Well, I think now that I just recorded you guys for the past 10 minutes, I could probably just cut this thing like right here into like a little mini, whatever interview, a little interview and like some shots if you guys working out there.
Yeah.
So that could be good. Yeah.
All right, bro. So.
All right, yeah.
See you. We keep in touch, eh? See you guys.
See ya. North Shore, Hokipa. So, that's it, man. See ya.